Let's launch your first YouTube short video. Have you wanted to create a YouTube channel for your business but haven't started yet? We'll help you set up your channel and publish your very first YouTube short for free. There's no better time than now. Getting started doesn't have to feel overwhelming. We make it simple. All you need is a Gmail account and to grant us manager access in YouTube Studio. A YouTube short is a vertical video under 60 seconds, built for quick, engaging content on mobile. They're great for grabbing attention, reaching new audiences, and growing your channel fast. This is how quickly we get your first YouTube short video ready to go. We'll set up your channel, create the script for your first YouTube short video, and edit the video at no cost to you. If you don't want to be on camera or record your own voice, we can use an AI voiceover to bring your message to life. Your first short will highlight your best offer, something your ideal client can't say no to, like a free service or downloadable resource. The video will run 15 to 60 seconds, perfect for grabbing attention and sparking interest. All you need to do is approve the script or provide a quick audio or video if you'd like to appear. We'll take care of the rest. How it works in 4 easy steps. First, we draft the written copy for your short video and send it for your review. Second, you can either record the audio or video yourself or let us generate an AI voiceover. Third, share any images or clips you'd like included in the short video. Fourth, we edit, finalize, and publish your short video to your YouTube channel. That's it. All you need to do is approve the script, share any images, and optionally record your own audio or video. We'll take care of everything else, from editing to publishing your very first video. Getting started doesn't get easier than this. Say yes, and we'll have your first YouTube short ready to go. In the next video, we solve how to define your ideal client profile, build a list of financially qualified prospects, create short offer videos for social media, and deliver those offer videos to an opted-in list of qualified clients using SMS texts. Go to humanbrainbox.com/free-pdf to download our guide, The 5 Stages to Quickly Get Clients. And if you'd like support creating weekly short offer videos that boost your conversions, give us a call. We'd be happy to help. If you're finding value in our content and want to keep up with our latest videos, the best way to support us is by hitting that subscribe button. Subscribing helps our channel grow and makes sure you never miss out on the helpful tips, insights, and updates we share regularly. We're on a mission to reach as many subscribers as possible in the next month, and your support means the world to us. Subscriber, help us make this channel something amazing.